Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will set up our smart security camera with our phone. This camera can be installed on any Android, iOS device like iPhone, iPad, Apple TV that has the application, Android devices, and more. Okay? And this camera give you 24 hours recording of any movement, anything, and you can access it on your camera, tablet, or any Android iOS device. Okay. This camera you need continuous power with the Type C. It has a Type C port. Okay. Just 5 watt. Okay. That's it. It comes with the regular Type C to USB cable. Okay. You just put it in any USB port and that's it. Okay, we will connect here. The Type C goes here and I will give you power from my power station. Okay, now we will just hold it. It will turn on. You just wait maybe 30 seconds or
System
so.
starting up. Wait to be configured.
It rotates. The pan is 355 degree and tilt is 90 degrees on this one. Okay, now we will start. If you go on the bottom side, you will see there are two ports. One is the reset button and other is micro SD card slot. Okay, in this slot we will add the micro SD card, and this camera support 128 gigabyte memory card. That is enough for 2 weeks 24 hours recording. Okay, and afterwards it will overwrite or as you do the settings. Okay, we will add the memory card in this camera. When you add the memory card, this black side goes in the front side. Okay, so you have to see it there. Okay, we will just push it and the camera has been added. Okay, in case you think that it has been previously used or has previous Wi-Fi network, you just press and hold this reset button until it is reset, and that's it. Okay, we will stop this, and now we will add the application on our phone. Go to the Play Store and try to find the application. It is called, here you can see, iCSee. You will see, just search. Okay, and this is the application, this one. Okay, we have already installed. Okay, so we just go for open, otherwise you have to install it. Okay, we go open. Okay, when you are opening it, it will give you, you have to log in. Okay, if you don't have the login, and then create login. Okay, setup, and it will send you code at your email or the phone number, so you verify the phone and the email and then create the login. We have already created the login and we are inside the account. Now it is the time to add this camera with the phone, pair this camera with the phone. Okay, so you have to choose, either you press this plus sign or you can go from here. We will add it here. Okay, and this camera is a Wi-Fi camera, so we have to go from here. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi camera. Okay, we have to follow the instructions. We go next. Okay, we have to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, here I have my Wi-Fi, you select it, you select your Wi-Fi, whatever you have it. Okay. This camera supports both 2.4 gigahertz band, Wi-Fi band, and 5G, but they are basically designed 2.4 gigahertz. But you don't worry, my Wi-Fi is 5G, so we will connect. Okay, I will just add the password. Okay, okay. So I will go. Okay. Now it is ready to give you the QR code on your phone. You have to press next. In the next step, it will give you. Okay.
Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
Now you have to bring this phone in front of the camera like this. Okay. You can increase or decrease the distance, so it will scan.
Connect to router successfully.
Yeah, my distance is around about 1
Network
feet.
connection successful. Please set the login password.
Okay, it is there. So now it is asking to create a new password. This password is for this camera, because in this application you can install multiple cameras, and in case you want that somebody cannot access one camera, and because if you give the login and password of your application to your family members and others, so you can do it. Okay, so on each camera you can put individual passwords. I will just put it, see, see, there are no such restrictions on this one. We will see. Okay, here you just select any of the names, whatever you want. Later you can change it. You don't need to be worried. You can change the camera name. Okay, either it is your store name, your company name. Okay, you can do as you want. Okay, we just put it. It is actually outdoor. We put it garage. Okay, just save it. Okay. So here is the local storage. We are selecting it regular continuous recording. Okay. So it will record continuously. We are not using the cloud storage. You have to pay monthly subscriptions and different, but if it's up to you if you want. We are basically selling this camera for local storage, so you can install on the memory card. Okay. If you want, it will give you the messages sending you push on and off. Okay, you just keep it as it is, and that's it. Your camera is here. If you, it is garage. If you want, you can change the name, everything. Okay, and there are few settings. If you want DND, DND means don't disturb. It will not push you the notifications when it detects the person. Okay, now we will check the camera. Okay, so you just say never show this hint again. This is about this cloud storage package. Okay, that's it. Now it is, the camera is ready. You just put it UHD. Okay, and we can rotate from here. I just hold it because it is outside. Okay, I don't want to show mine, so we will see. If you want to rotate this side, you will see. If you want, okay, so you can see it there. It has a speaker and mic. If you want to talk, you just press this one and press and hold to talk. Okay, so it's ready. And in case you want to see your recordings on the memory card, you just have to go there and select the date, whatever is there. Okay, and then we select it. It don't have recordings now because we just started up. Okay, you will see it here. That's it. It will start doing everything. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.